Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to fix the Instagram app expired issue. If you find yourself encountering this problem, don't worry. We have the solution for you. Let's jump right into the steps to get your Instagram app back up and running. First, try logging out and then logging back into your Instagram account. Sometimes a simple sign out and sign back in can resolve the issue. If that doesn't work, try logging out of all devices that are currently logged into your Instagram account. This can help refresh your account settings and potentially fix the expired app error. Next, clear the cache files on your device. Go to your device's settings, then apps, and find the Instagram app. Tap on it, then tap on Clear Data, and choose Clear Cache to remove any app-related cache files that may be causing the issue. Make sure the Instagram app is allowed to run in the background by checking your device's battery optimization settings. This will ensure that the app can function properly even when not actively in use. If all else fails, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Instagram app. Make sure you have the latest version of the app installed on your device to avoid any compatibility issues. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Instagram app expired issue and get back to enjoying all that the app has to offer. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial was helpful for you.